Okay, first mistake. Let's see the difference. Can you see that my body is turning and my head also turning? But the wrong side, there is no turning in upper body and there is no turning in the head, okay? So turn your head and turn your upper body. It will be more nice. This kind of mistake is very common between students because most of
One, two, everybody bounce. Loading, loading,
This is the most common mistake, okay? The most common mistake. Arms are not nice on the right side, you see? So it's kinda walking there. So how to keep our arms in nice position? So and what about the hips? You see, if I'm not using my hips, I will be exhausted like in the right one. So if you don't want to make the exhausting hair toss, please use your hips and your chest as well. You see the right one? She is very tired. When we do hair toss like this, it's not easy to add chest. It's understandable, but this kind of hair toss on the floor will make you tired pretty quick. So be smarter and just watch first and after exercise with me. Because this one is not the one you can practice all the time, so just watch first. Smart dancers first look and then do the movement, especially when we do hair toss on the floor. So this one is on the floor, but first we try to do this movement standing up. You've probably seen these two types of hair toss, and probably you're not sure which one is right. There is no right and wrong here, but there is the difference. So let's talk about this difference and how can we use it in belly dance. It's better if you don't put your weight in the middle of your legs.